We got a 2022 Volkswagen Taos. We're gonna reset the service reminders. We're gonna use the steering wheel buttons right here. We're gonna use this button mostly. Go ahead and push to the right. That's gonna bring up this menu here. Now you need to go down to where it says distance and time. Highlight that one. Press this button over to the right again. Now you're gonna press the same button, the red button, for 5 seconds and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and let go. And that brings up the service menu where you can reset oil change, reset inspection, the time, the tire pressure. Okay, so this one we're gonna do the oil because that's what's due. Okay, and I'm just hitting OK to confirm everything. Okay, well, that's it for the video. Appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for me and show some support for the channel. Leave me a comment if you could and hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.